We started with the jury out of the room for what was a really fiery hearing. In March, the judge placed a gag order on Trump that bars him from attacking witnesses and various other people involved in the case. Prosecutors said today in court that Trump has violated that order 11 separate times. Todd Blanche, the defense lawyer, argued that Trump's speech was political, that he was not attacking the witnesses for reasons having to do with the court case, but rather for political reasons. The judge didn't seem to accept that logic. Blanche said that he and the other members of the defense team were doing everything they could to get Trump to comply with the terms of the gag order. The judge, Merchan, clearly felt that that was ridiculous, and he said that Blanche was losing his credibility by saying such a thing. We didn't get a decision on the gag order today, but even so, it was definitely a difficult time for Trump. And, by the way, Trump didn't have an easier time once the witness, David Pecker, resumed testifying. Pecker is the former publisher of the National Enquirer, and what he told the jury today was that he met with Donald Trump and Michael Cohen at Trump Tower in 2015. The three men talked about how Pecker could help Trump and Cohen during the presidential election. Pecker said that he offered to help by promoting positive stories about Trump and suppressing negative ones, particularly negative stories having to do with women. Prosecutors say that those types of stories were suppressed in order to win the 2016 election, and that in 2017, once Trump had won the White House, he disguised business records to cover up one of those payments. We'll get to the payment that he's talking about later in the trial. That payment is made by Michael Cohen to Stormy Daniels. It was fascinating to hear this calm, older man on the witness stand telling these stories that are really bad, really damning for Trump, because they help prosecutors to show that Trump's intent here, when he falsified the records, was to hide this attempt to win the election by suppressing negative stories.